Good morning, students. This is Srinivasa Parmal. Today we are going to discuss about Chapter 6 Lines and Angles, Exercise 6.3. First, the question number 1. In figure, side QP and RQ of triangle PQR as producing to S T respectively. If angle SPR, this value is equal to 135 degree, and angle PQT, so this value is equal to 110 degree. We need to find angle PRQ. This one we need to find. So consider this is a linear pair. So angle SPR plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree. The reason is linear pair. And angle SPR is equal to 135 degree. So this value is equal to 135 degree plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree. Then this term is moving to right side. Angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree. So the final value is angle RPQ is equal to 45 degree. So this term is equal to 45 degree. Then this one is linear pair. T, Q and R make a linear pair. So angle TQP plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree because these two makes linear pair. Then this value is already given in the question also. The value is 110 degree plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. Then this term is moving to right side, it's a negative. Angle PQR is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. Then angle PQR is equal to 70 degree. Then so consider a triangle. The sum of all interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So consider triangle PQR. The sum of all interior angle like angle QPR plus angle PQR plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree. This value is equal to 70 degree from this, and previously finding RPQ and QPR both are equal, so this is 45 degree. Adding this 45 degree plus 70 degree plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree. So addition of these two 115. Then moving to right side, angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree minus 115 degree. Then finally angle PRQ is equal to 65 degree. So this term is also equal to angle R. Question number 2. In this figure, angle X is equal to 60 degree and angle XYZ. So this value is equal to 54 degree if YO and ZO are the bisector of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively of the triangle XYZ. We need to find angle OZY and angle YOZ. O is Y. So this one is we need to find angle 1 and YOZ. This one angle 2. So move for the questions. The given value angle X is equal to 62 degree and angle XYZ is equal to 54 degree. And consider this value. So triangle XYZ, the total interior angle is 180 degree. So angle XYZ plus angle YZX plus angle ZXY is equal to 180 degree. The given value angle XYZ, so this value is equal to 54 degree and this value is 62 degree. Is equal to 180 degree. Then adding this to value and move for right side. Angle YZX is equal to 180 degree minus sum of these two values is equal to 116 degree. So finally angle XZY is equal to 64 degree. 64 degree. Then and also the another point, YO and ZO are bisector of XYZ and XZY. That means these two lines are bisector of angle Y and angle Z. So the sum of this triangle angle OYZ is equal to half of the values of angle XYZ. That means 1 by 2 is multiplied by the given value is 54. So the value is 27 degree and angle OZY is equal to half of the values of XZY or YZX, both are the same. So 1 by 2 is multiplied by 64 degree. Then final value is 32 degree. Now, so consider triangle OZY. The sum of all interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So the same rules, OZY plus OYZ plus YOZ. This value is equal to 180 degree. Then replacing the values, OZY is equal to 32 degree. Then OYZ is equal to 27 degree. Adding to angle YOZ, then 180 degree. Addition of those values 59 and moving to right side. So angle YOZ is equal to 180 degree minus 59 degree. The final value angle YOZ is equal to 121 degree. In question number 3, if AB and DE is parallel, then the given value angle BAC, so this value is equal to 35 degree and angle CDE, this value is equal to 53 degree. So we need to find angle DCE. We need to find this value angle DCE. And the given important point is both lines are parallel. If AB is parallel to DE, so they all alternate angles are equal. That means angle CED is also equal to angle BAC. So the value is equal to 35 degree. This value is also 35 degree, and we need to find angle DEC, this one. So it's very simple. Using a triangle CDE, and sum of all interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Angle CDE plus angle DEC plus angle DCE is equal to 180 degree. Just replacing the value. CDE, this value is equal to 53 degree, and this one is 35 degree, then adding the angle directly. So DCE is equal to 180 degree. Adding these two value is equal to 88, and moving to right side. So angle DCE is equal to 180 degree minus 88 degree. Then final value, angle DCE is equal to 92 degree. So in a triangle, this value is equal to 92 degree. That's it. Thank you.